In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer a domain from GoDaddy to Hostinger step by step. If you bought your domain on GoDaddy but want to manage it through Hostinger instead, this process is actually very simple and only takes a few minutes to start. Transferring your domain can help you keep everything in one place, especially if your hosting and website are already on Hostinger. In this guide, I'll walk you through unlocking your domain in GoDaddy, getting the authorization code, and completing the transfer inside Hostinger. By the end of this video, you'll know the complete process and what to expect while the transfer is being processed. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and tech tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right into the first step. First, open your browser and log into your GoDaddy account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the section where your domains are listed. Find the domain name that you want to transfer to Hostinger and open its domain settings page. This page contains all the configuration options for that domain, including security settings, DNS records, and transfer options. The first thing you need to do here is unlock the domain. Most domains are locked by default to prevent unauthorized transfers, which is a security feature. Look for the option called Domain Lock or Transfer Lock and switch it off so the domain becomes unlocked. Once the domain is unlocked, the next step is to get your authorization code, also known as the EPP code. This code works like a password that confirms you are the owner of the domain and allows another registrar to accept the transfer. In the same domain settings page, find the option that says Authorization Code or Get EPP Code. Click on it and GoDaddy will generate the code for your domain. Copy this code and keep it ready because you'll need to paste it into Hostinger in the next steps. Now that we have the authorization code, the next step is to log into your Hostinger account. After signing in, go to your Hostinger dashboard and look for the Domain section. Inside the Domains area, find and click on the option called Transfers. This is where you can transfer a domain from another registrar like GoDaddy into Hostinger. Once you are on the domain transfer page, click on the option that says Transfer to Hostinger. You will now see a field asking for the domain name that you want to transfer. Type your domain name exactly as it is registered on GoDaddy and then click the transfer button to continue. Hostinger will now ask for the authorization or EPP code that you copied earlier. Paste the EPP code into the field and proceed to the next step. After entering the code, Hostinger will begin the transfer request process. At this stage, you will also be asked to complete the payment for the domain transfer. Domain transfers usually include a 1-year renewal of the domain registration, which is why payment is required. Go ahead and complete the checkout process. Once the payment is finished, Hostinger will send a confirmation request for the transfer. You may receive an email asking you to approve the transfer request. Open that email and confirm the transfer so the process can begin. After confirmation, the domain transfer will start and usually takes anywhere from a few hours up to several days depending on the registrar. During this time, your website will normally continue working as long as your DNS settings remain the same. Once the transfer is complete, your domain will appear inside your Hostinger domain list and you will be able to manage everything directly from your Hostinger dashboard. And that's it. That is exactly how to transfer a domain from GoDaddy to Hostinger step by step. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials on websites, domains, hosting, and online tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.